Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to DevOps King channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of different talk about Azure DevOps and AWS. If you need any help, please contact on the given number. In the current series of generative AI application development and deployment with Azure AKS, we shall discuss part 5. In part 5, very important things about the ML ops and the generative AI. The different term that I shall explain very important for the AI engineer. Every video on this channel are prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search the channel on the YouTube, please search the word DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. If you need any help, please message me on the channel. Let's start for the part 5, generative AI application development and deployment on AKS. It's very important to know the capability of the generative AI and in general AI, because when you have knowledge about the specific technology, then you will be in a position to develop the application by using the different knowledge about that AI. Because after reading these terms, we will in a position to develop the application. The core capability of the generative AI for the first one is the generative knowledge and information retrieval. It can answer factual questions, provide general knowledge, offer explanation on diverse topics such as the science, history, technology, and more. For the second one, capability of the ChatGPT as a personalized assistant. ChatGPT can provide personalized assistance based on the context of the conversation, such as giving career advice, helping with the schoolwork, or the suggesting the ideas. So this is the second core capability of the ChatGPT. Now the third one is the content editing. Content editing means by using this feature, we can provide the suggestion to the improve writing style and making content more concise and engaging. For the fourth one is the language translation. Language translation, again, a very important capability. By using this capability, we can translate the language from one to another, like we can translate the English to the German language. It can handle simple translation and more complex context sensitive sentence. For the fifth one, conversation intelligence. Conversation intelligence, ChatGPT has the ability to engage in fluid natural conversation, offering response that feel human-like. It can answer follow-up question, ask for clarification when needed, and keep the conversation going based on prior exchange. So this is the fifth capability of the ChatGPT. When you need to develop an application by using the ChatGPT, then you will come to know that how I can manage the development of the application and the different core capability of the ChatGPT that I can use in the development. The fifth one is the next one is the sixth, contextual memory. While no persistent memory is available unless explicitly enabled via the user preference, ChatGPT can remember and respond to things within the same session, keeping track of the conversation context to prior more relevant answer. So the ChatGPT answer us in a sequence depending upon the conversation that we are in process. Like the seventh one is the information retrieval. ChatGPT trained on a vast range of the publicly available data and can leverage the information to answer questions about current event, scientific principle, and general knowledge. However, it cannot access live data or recent event beyond the cutoff. It means that our AI application can only give the result about the data that we have trained. Like it cannot answer any private data by using the data of other company that is private. In simple word, you can get the response from the ChatGPT when you have trained the data, not the private data of other company. Like the next one is the last one, the multi-modal capability text images when enabled. Core capability for while Dell E and Clip when integrated, ChatGPT can process and generate image based on the text prompt. This extends its creativity to weird art such as creating the illustration or generating the concept design. It means that when we give the input to our application, like I need images having the tree. So you are giving the text prompt to the application. After the input, our ChatGPT application about the multimodal will create a image having the tree. So now the next one is the use cases of the ChatGPT. Use cases means in which areas we can use the ChatGPT or the artificial intelligence. We can use it in the customer support, like the automating the basic customer services, interaction, providing answer to common inquiries, troubleshooting problem, and offering product recommendation. The second one is the education and tutoring. ChatGPT can help students by explaining the difficult concept, solving mathematics problem, providing essay feedback, and even participating in language skills. The third one is the content creation. Content creation is very important in the ChatGPT. Writer, marketers, and blogger can use ChatGPT to generate the ideas, draft content, and provide inspiration. It can also be used for the creating social media post, email template, or the advertisement. The next one is the next one is the business and productivity, assisting with scheduling, drafting report, managing tasks, writing professional email, and automating the repetitive office tasks. So by using the ChatGPT in business, we can automate the office tasks as well. The fifth one is entertainment and creativity. By using the ChatGPT, we can use it for games, for creating NPC dialogue or dynamic content that we used in the social media as well. The next one is the technical assistant, providing code support, debugging code, helping developer within the algorithm designer code. In simple word, in the technical assistant, ChatGPT can help us, the software engineer, for the programming in the JavaScript, in the Java language, or in the C Sharp, or in the Python. ChatGPT can fix the error in our programming. So it is very healthy in the technical assistant. The last one is the health and wellness advice. By providing, ChatGPT can provide basic wellness advice, suggest fitness routines, or answer health-related queries using the general knowledge. So these are the different the use cases that I have discussed with you, so that you will able after listening this lecture, so that when you are in process of developing the application, then you have vast knowledge about the ChatGPT and AI. So in the next part of our series, we shall come to the development of the application, generative application by using the Python, and we shall also deploy it on the Azure AKS. See you in the next part. Wish you good luck for your career.